Hi, my name is Kirazan, but you can call me Zan because that's much easier. I am an educate teacher. I've been a teacher for 13 years now. I've got the qualification in educate in 6 certificate. I am currently studying towards a higher certificate in human resource management and I am busy doing a course in TEFL to broaden my knowledge and to help others that needs assistance with English or anything else for that matter. I love working with kids. For me, to see them grow and to see how they learn and just to know that you had a hand in that makes my heart happy. My philosophy that I go by is that each child is unique. Each child learns a different way. So for me, it is important to make them feel comfortable, to make them feel happy, and to have fun.